Welcome to unit number 2112, located at 76 Cornerstone Passage Northeast. This unit features 1 bedroom plus 1 bathroom and also comes with a den and underground parking. Go on in and take a look. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of unit number 2112 located at 76 Cornerstone Passage Northeast. Did I also mention that this has a pet spa, a fitness center? It's got great amenities. Again, if you want any more information in regards to this unit, Barb Desautels, CIR Realty, 403-667-9869.